Hi, this is the OG art teacher, and this time I'm going to teach you how to do cross-hatching. This builds on the concept of hatching, which is where you just draw lines to create shading. Basically, it's the same except for now you're going to cross over. So for cross-hatching, you would do the same type of value scale, but instead of just having it go in one direction, now you get to do the fun part, which is make it look like a beautiful mess. So again, with the cross-hatching, less space between each intersecting line is going to make it look a little less dark. So you can go in any direction to do your cross-hatching, whatever direction you choose, doesn't matter. You just want to make sure that you're still leaving space between each part so that it looks lighter and darker. So for contour crosshatch, it's the same deal, but you are crossing over. You should still be following the curve. So this is kind of difficult for me to do. I can't quite figure out where to go. But I'm just going to go with my gut, which is to curve around like that. And then move the paper around because it just makes it easier. And curve around in this direction. Kind of join there and go across, and then at the bottom or where it's darkest, I'm gonna go in and do another direction. The darker you want it to be, the more directions and hatching you should do. I prefer cross hatching because it gives you a lot more to work with. And we're going to pretend like my light source is going here instead of where it would really be, which is right there. And again, cross-hatching is just an extension of hatching. And for lighter areas, you leave more space. For darker areas, you want your lines to be really close together. So this would be how you would do the shading on hatching, and then if you were doing cross-hatching, you cross over, and for hatching, it might get lighter and wider as you go. I'm, not the best at doing these techniques, but I am trying to simplify them down so that anybody can do them, including me. There are definitely better artists out there, but I prefer not to do comparisons because what's the point of comparing yourself to art if it's going to make you not do art at all? So, again, cross-hatching, making lots of X's. It's kind of nice and fun and messy. The closer together, the darker, the further, the lighter, etc.